Plant FAQs. Syngonium Wendlandii. Syngonium Wendlandii, my guide to this stunning arrowhead vine. Hi there, plant enthusiasts. Furbu here, and today we're diving into the world of the captivating Syngonium Wendlandii. This beauty, also known as the arrowhead vine, has captured hearts with its lush green foliage and unique climbing habit. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Syngonium Wendlandii. See more 41 species in genus Syngonium, arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What is Syngonium Wendlandii? The Syngonium Wendlandii is an evergreen perennial vine belonging to the rayii family, the same family as philodendrons and monsteras. This tropical wonder boasts stunning arrow-shaped leaves with a deep emerald green hue and a prominent white midvein. As the plant matures, the leaves develop deep lobes, sometimes splitting into separate leaflets, adding another layer of visual interest. Syngonium Wendlandii is known for its adaptability. It thrives in moderate temperatures and enjoys climbing, making it ideal for hanging baskets or moss poles. Syngonium Wendlandii versus rayii. On the other hand, my Syngonium rayii has a more mysterious vibe. The deep, almost black leaves with subtle green undertones feel sophisticated and elegant. It grows at a slower pace than the Wendlandii, but its compact form makes it perfect for a shelf or a small table. I find myself drawn to its quiet beauty and the way it adds a touch of drama to any corner. How to care for Syngonium Wendlandii. Thriving Syngonium Wendlandii requires a touch of TLC, but fret not. It's a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here's how to keep your arrowhead vine happy and healthy. Light. Provide your Syngonium with bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, as this can scorch the leaves. It can tolerate lower light conditions, but growth will be slower. Water. Water your Syngonium Wendlandii when the top inch or two of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common enemy, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Temperature. Syngonium Wendlandii prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or drafts. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal for Syngonium Wendlandii. You can increase humidity by grouping your plants together, using a pebble tray, or running a humidifier. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your Syngonium Wendlandii with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month, diluted to half strength. Withhold fertilizer during winter. How to propagate Syngonium Wendlandii. Sharing the beauty of your Syngonium Wendlandii is easy. Here are 2 effective propagation methods. Stem cuttings. Choose a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes. Make a clean cut just below a node. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few nodes exposed. Place the cutting in water or a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil or water moist and provide bright, indirect light. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Water propagation. Select a healthy stem cutting with a few nodes. Remove the lower leaves and place the stem in a jar of fresh water. Ensure at least 1 node is submerged. Change the water regularly to prevent bacterial growth. Once roots develop, you can transfer the cutting to a pot with fresh potting mix. What to plant with Syngonium Wendlandii. Syngonium Wendlandii's cascading foliage makes it a perfect complement to various plants. Here are some ideas. Trailing plants. Combine your Syngonium with other trailing plants like pothos or string of pearls for a lush, overflowing look. Foliage contrasts. Pair your Syngonium with plants that have contrasting foliage colors, like the burgundy leaves of a Chinese evergreen or the silver variegation of a Scindapsus. Climbing companions. Allow your Syngonium to climb alongside a moss pole with a philodendron or a monstera for a vibrant vertical display. Conclusion. The Syngonium Wendlandii is a captivating addition to any indoor space. With its stunning foliage and easygoing nature, it's a perfect choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your arrowhead vine thrives and adds a touch of elegance to your home. Happy planting!